Hey there! Welcome to our new video. Today, we'll explore how to customize themes on BigCommerce. Let's dive in. Firstly, open your BigCommerce dashboard. In the side panel, click on Storefront, then select Themes. In the theme page, under Current Themes, click on Customize. Now, in the page builder, you can customize your theme page however you like. You can drag and drop videos, images, and text to your page from the side panel under Basics. You can also customize your added text, adjust image dimensions, opacity, and alignment. Additionally, you can place a button and customize it to your liking. Product sets can also be added for showcase. Click on Save to save your customized theme. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.